The jQuery on method allows you to set up an event handler for different kinds of events. Here, I'm targeting every paragraph on the page, and I'm saying on click, execute this function. So if I remove the function for a second, it's a little bit easier to see the syntax. Here is the event name, and that's pretty important. I could do scroll, hover, double click, all kinds of events, but what I'm doing here is saying for every paragraph on the page, on click, meaning on the click event, execute this function. This function doesn't do anything too impressive. It simply shows an alert in the page, but the main thing to emphasize here is the syntax, and the syntax is very straightforward. Create your query, or target your elements, chain the on method, and then pass it two arguments. The first argument is a string, which is the name of the event. Once again, it could be hover, scroll, double click. Here we're using click. And your second argument is a function that will be executed on that event. Let's take a look in the browser. Drag the code example HTML file to your browser, and you can see that when I click any one of these paragraphs, I get the alert, and that's exactly what I expect. And that is because I targeted every paragraph on the page, so any one of these three paragraphs, and I said on click. So when the element is clicked, then I want to execute this function. And once again, the function that's your actual event handler, and that function contains code that you want to execute on your event, in this case on the click event.